How you doing, guys? It's Nick Simonelli here. Gonna do the Master Raz for my Messier to 50. Sorry about the last video, guys. I don't know what happened there, but thankfully it was just between the two of you guys. But all right, so here's everything. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go live, and current time, guys. Here, I'm in New Jersey. 8:04. And live set at 8:04 right there. Gonna go to select my 1 to 10. Eddie on the top, Dave on the bottom, bookends. Go here. We're gonna go list randomizer. I'm gonna drop you guys down here and here like that. 1 to 10. And like I said in the description, guys, 3 times over here. Good luck. 1, 2, 2 times right there. Timestamp. JPM. Timestamp is in. Timestamp is in at 8:05 p.m. Current local time, 8:05 p.m. New Jersey. Third and final time. Good luck, guys, and I appreciate you guys. I know you guys are my Messier peeps, and I'll be putting up a couple more. Good luck. Winner is Dave O'Brien in spot 10. Congrats, bud. Let's see. So, paste. Final timestamp is 8:05 p.m. Current time 8:06 and 5 seconds. So I'll go back here and check. That was 8:05. I had just turned. Done. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it.